So this NZDJPY trade is a little different. We held it for a full week, and every day it was open, the analysis stayed valid. Let me show you exactly why we held with confidence. Starting with structure, market had already grabbed sell-side liquidity below and broke to the upside. That's a clear sign. After this pullback, the most likely next move is continuation higher, up toward the buy-side liquidity sitting above. That's our target from the start. After that break of structure, market expanded, then pulled back into the order block. And this is the key moment. Order block mitigation is what fuels the next bullish leg. Market comes back to that zone, collects orders, then continues. That's why we were watching this level closely. That's where we wanted to buy. Before touching the entry, we defined our invalidation point first. If price breaks below this level, the setup is wrong. Simple as that. Stop loss buffer placed there. Risk is defined before we're even in the trade. Everything mapped. Entry, SL, and TP sent to Forex VIP members. We're in. Now, this is a 4-hour time frame trade. That means patience isn't optional. This wasn't going to play out in an hour or two. We knew that going in, and we were comfortable with it. The analysis was solid, no reason to rush. And eventually, buy-side liquidity taken out. Full TP hit. A full week of holding, rewarded with a clean close. This trade is a reminder that good setups don't always move fast. Sometimes you map it, enter it, and just wait. The traders who can do that consistently, those are the ones winning long-term. That's what Forex VIP is about. If you want in, doors open.